paper, honey.
Alright. Well, when I have to go home or go to Nana's, I have to be very careful
Yes.
to hold that because it's really special and it's really good. Dad, look! I got my glass angel! And my sewing kit.
Cool.
I know. Look. It's not colored.
Is it real glass? Let me see.
Yeah.
Drop it.
Because when...
It's real glass, Lily. Oh my goodness.
Yeah, because when I was getting when I got it out of the bag, I heard tapping noises. But I hear tapping noises on the thing, but it didn't break when it tapped. It was like this, tap, 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 with this.
Wow.
But it didn't break though. Because see, you don't see any cracks. Because if you see a crack, that means it's open.
Come on, Max, let's go.